Hey guys, I'm Chef Naisha Arrington, and today I'm here to share with you my favorite spring things. For me, springtime's all about rejuvenation, revival. As a professional chef, I'm always on the go, and especially in springtime, I really try to prioritize my me time by dining outside with my neighbor. We set up our table and eat al fresco, which is so lovely. Also really enjoy hiking with my dog and my friends in the mountains. I mean, one of the easy ways to be in tune with spring is by elevating my coffee routine. So today I'm gonna show you my iced coffee with a delicious brown sugar cardamom syrup and a coconut whipped cream. Starbucks Spring Day Blend is the perfect opportunity to welcome in that rejuvenation and optimism into your home. It's a medium roast blend with notes of cocoa and dried fruits. You guys are gonna love it. We start with our coffee grounds and pour over hot water. And since this is an iced coffee, I want to brew this at double strength. So while this is brewing, I'm going to show you how to make the delicious cardamom syrup. This is going to add a really lovely light sweetness to our iced coffee drink. Start with a cup of water. I add in my brown sugar. So once our brown sugar syrup comes to a simmer, I add in a little bit of vanilla extract and these lovely cardamom pods. Cardamom is a really special spice, and it has this sort of citrusy kind of fennel undertone that pairs really well with the coffee, the sort of cocoa, and that dried fruit that comes off of it. So once our simple syrup has reduced by a quarter, we essentially just want to strain out the cardamom pods. For our whipped coconut cream, what I do is place a can of coconut milk in the refrigerator overnight. If you want to speed this process up, you could totally place the entire can into an ice water bath to help separate that fat from the coconut milk. And I simply just skim that off of the top. So here I just simply whisk the cream, and it helps if your bowl is really cold. Now that we have all of our components for our delicious iced coffee, it's time to put this baby together. Again, this is double strength coffee, and I'm going to pour it over ice. And now for our brown sugar cardamom syrup, just a splash, as sweet as you like it, a bit of our whipped coconut cream. I like to give this a little mix. I always use my compostable straw, very important. Wow, I feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Now that I've had my coffee, let's get cooking. One of my favorite snacks of all time is hummus, and I actually make different vegetable-inspired hummus based on the season. So this time I'm gonna show you guys how to make my spring pea hummus. So for my hummus, I actually boil my chickpeas in almond milk to create a very smooth texture. I start with that, and I reserve my almond milk to fold back into the hummus at the end. I also add cayenne pepper, a little bit of lemon zest, and some ground cumin. Fresh squeeze of lemon, tahini, one of my favorite ingredients, a sesame paste, tons of fresh garlic. So I want to start by blending my chickpeas with my aromatics, and we'll drizzle in the olive oil. I'm also going to add salt and a little bit of that reserved almond milk. Once our chickpea mixture is completely blended down, I like to add in my blanched sweet peas. Now that our hummus is complete, we're gonna assemble this into a beautiful me time snack. So this is my favorite part, actually, is the composition of our delicious crudité plate. It's like a beautiful mosaic. The plate is essentially the canvas for the vegetables, right? My artist brain is just like, this is just popping with delicious life and color. I cannot wait to get in here. Wow. I'm so excited about this. Literally, this is giving me life. I mean, eating fresh vegetables after coming off the most amazing hike is like the ideal me time day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, learning these delicious recipes, and I hope that you enjoy your Starbucks Spring Day Blend.